How to block or unblock someone on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device, and after that, launch the Snapchat application. Make sure that you're logged into your account on Snapchat as well. Now, if you want to block someone, what you can simply do is tap on the chat section, and as you do that, you can simply block someone who you have had chat with or who you are friends with. So you can simply tap on one of the profiles over here, then tap on the profile again, tap on three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can see the option of manage friendship. Tap on it, and here you can see the option of block. So simply tap on block and then tap on block again. Now you have blocked this particular person. So as you have blocked this particular person, you'll be able to see that the chat feed will not show his or her messages. So if you want to unblock this particular person, what you can do is simply tap on the search bar at the top and search for this particular person that you have blocked. So let's search for it. And as we search for it, we just have to add that person yet again. So simply you have to tap on the add option and you'll be able to unblock it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.